In this video, you'll learn how to fix the authentication error that's been blocking many players from launching Pokémon TCG Pocket, especially after the latest update. If you're stuck on the login screen and getting an error code like this, don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got the step-by-step fix that actually works. Let's get started. So you open Pokémon TCG Pocket, and suddenly the game won't let you in. It throws an authentication failed error, sometimes followed by a weird code. This can happen for several reasons, and we'll go through the most common ones and how to solve them. First, check if you're using a VPN. Pokémon TCG Pocket relies on region-specific servers, and having a VPN turned on can confuse the app and trigger this error. Go ahead and turn off your VPN completely, then relaunch the game. If it works, great. If not, let's keep going. Now, reset your network connection. Here's how to do it. Turn on airplane mode on your device, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and launch the game again. This refresh often clears hidden connectivity issues. Still not working? Try switching to mobile data. Turn off Wi-Fi and connect using your mobile network. Sometimes Wi-Fi has temporary blocks or DNS issues that prevent the game from talking to its servers. Next up, make sure your app is up to date. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Pokémon TCG Pocket and check for updates. If one is available, download it right away. New patches often fix login bugs like this. And if you've done all that and the error still won't go away, it might not be your fault at all. The servers could be temporarily down, especially if there's just been a new patch or maintenance period. Give it an hour or two and try again later. And that's it. You've now got a full checklist to fix the Pokémon TCG Pocket authentication error. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.